Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and copy a game on Roblox. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first go ahead, access your particular browser in your mobile phone. Now go to search bar and simply type in roblox.com as I have done so over here. Once you do, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? After you're gonna go ahead, tap on this search icon on top right and type in uncopied locked, and once you have typed in, you're simply gonna go ahead, search it up, and then you will find all kinds of games available for you to simply go ahead and copy, right? You can go ahead, get yourself any game that you wanna copy for your purpose. So let's say we have we do have this particular game, this Booga Booga game, right? So once we have tapped on that particular game, this kind of interface gonna appear, including the description regarding the same. You can go ahead, read it out for your purpose, and then you can find this three dot icon. Once you have access it on your laptop or desktop, then you will tap on this edit in studio. You have to make sure that you do have a studio, Roblox studio, for you to copy and create. So then you will get access to it there in the studio, and you can create or copy yourself that particular game. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.